everyone, it's me. I haven't been on YouTube for a while. There's been a lot going on. But recently, and I have been watching all the videos everyone has put up and everything, but there's just so much things going on in personally anyways. So I'm sorry I haven't posted for a while, for a good while actually, because hold on, let me see when the last time I posted something. Trying to see what stage I was then. Yeah. Okay, just 1 second. There we go. Okay, I was 20 weeks. And now I am 31 weeks. Yes, people, I'm 31 weeks. 30, I can't believe. It's, it to me, it seems like it was going very slow, but I'm already in my third trimester. I'm so happy about that. Anyway, just a small recap of what was happening before I turned 31 weeks. Just a small recap. Anyway, I had to stop my job. I couldn't work anymore because um it was getting like I think I went into emergency ER for like two times, I think, or three. I'm not too sure because of preterm labor. Anywho, they said I have to take it easy. My doctor put me on bed rest and all of those things. So after that, I just been on bed rest. Then personal issue came up. Then the holiday came up. Oh, and one more thing. Happy New Year to you guys. I hope this new year is a lot much better than last year. And mine is turning out so good so far. Thank God. Thank you, Jesus, for that. So, yeah, a lot of personal issues was going on. And it was. But anyway, the recap, with the preterm bed rest and what else? Anyway, then I have an ingrown nail. I have it on both big toes. So I had to get my one of them removed, get the the nail completely removed, not the toe. Sorry, I got the nail completely removed. So anyway, I got that removed. I couldn't really do that much walking around because of the toe. I can't put my it's winter time now, and I can't put my sorry message just came in. I can't put my toe into shoes. So whenever I have to go on the road, like for sure I have to go do something on the road, I have to wear flip flops. Can you imagine wearing flip flops in wintertime? It's not fun. I tried to put socks and wear the flip flops, but that wasn't really working out. But anyway, did that. So I did that procedure with my toe. It's pretty much looking good now. I did that in December, like a couple days before Christmas. I did that. So, and yeah, that's pretty much the major things that I did. Yeah. Anyway, with the symptoms that I had from 20 weeks until now, still have itchy skin. I still have itchy skin. I don't know why. Whenever I have a bath, it's just that feeling that I get after having a shower or anything. So if you guys have any comments, anything that you can use to prevent the itchiness or something. But whenever I have a bath, a shower, anything, my skin itch. I'm not talking about one spot. I'm talking about everywhere. Everywhere. My legs, my foot, my especially my back. I can't really reach my back, so I have to get my hubby to do that. And it's like, oh, I can't do it because you want me to scratch right here, and then I have to scratch over there. You want me to scratch right here. You can't stay at one spot. So, yeah, it gets me upset at times. Yeah, all over my hands. So whenever I have a bath, I use cocoa butter mixed with baby oil into it. But it gives me a relief for a while, and then the itching comes back. So that's what I've been struggling with throughout this pregnancy. It's not a big deal, but it's just it's just annoying. Anyway, um, one more thing. I wasn't like 2 weeks back. I wasn't peeing a lot. Now I am. Maybe it's because I'm closer, getting very close. I'm peeing a lot, a lot. Like a couple nights ago, I think the most I have peed, like I got up and I peed like for like about 4 to 5 times that night. Yeah, my hubby didn't get a good sleep because I was rolling over him to get off the bed, and every time I do that, he's like touching me to make sure I'm okay, so I don't fall or anything. So he always wake, I'm always waking him up whenever I'm rolling over. But anyway, um, the next one is sorry, tender nipples. Tender nipples. I have tender nipples, y'all. I don't want my husband to touch them at all. Yeah, very tender, very tender. The next thing that I noticed that came back, but I didn't really have it that much, so I kind of missed out on it at the first part of my pregnancy. But now it's coming back, but it's not that much. Nausea and vomiting, and not be able to keep anything down anymore whenever I eat. So I pretty much eat what I feel that I want, because if I eat something that I have to force to eat because I haven't eaten for like a couple hours, it comes right back up. It's like baby doesn't want that. Yeah, the next thing is tiredness. Tired. I think this started like the first part of my third trimester, like 27th week or 28th. Yeah, one of those. I've been being so tired during the day. I'm so tired, like sleepy tired. Like if I do something now, and then a couple minutes later, I feel like I'm so tired. But the one thing that bugs me that is that most nights I can't sleep. I think maybe it's because I sleep so much in the day I can't sleep in the night. Right? So that really bugs me. Oh, sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me. Maybe I'm hungry. I think. Okay. Yeah. That's pretty much for my symptoms. I have one craving, which I love. It's not like a tasty craving or anything. Ice cold water. Yep. I love that. Ice cold water. I'll drink it for 1 hour. I'll drink like 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 5 glasses of water, 5 to 6, depending how I feel. I love it. I love it. I feel so thirsty all the time. So yes, I'm. It's good that I'm keeping myself hydrated, which is good. For food wise, I don't really have that much craving for food wise. I'll just crave something now and I eat it and I don't crave it again. So I don't really call that a craving because I'm not constantly eating it or whatever. Yeah, but I can't eat big portions of stuff. From the first of this pregnancy, first part of this pregnancy, I couldn't really eat a big portion of food like I used to. Um, Also, a big milestone. Well, I call it big milestone. I don't know if you guys will think so. I told you guys that I wasn't gaining weight at the first part of my pregnancy. Now, since I started my third trimester, I have gained, I think, 5 pounds. Yeah, 5 pounds. And last week I got to see the baby on the ultrasound. I saw him and he was so cute. I wanted to do a 4D ultrasound, but it's very expensive to do here in Canada. Very, very, very. So, I guess I'll just stick to the regular ones that I get free. And I got to get the weight of the baby. So the baby's weighing 3 pounds. I think probably more because I did 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 that last week. So he was weighing 3 pounds and 3 ounces. So probably he's weighing a little bit more now. But I'm happy. I'm happy that the lady said he's right on schedule, right on the main weight. So I'm happy about that. Anyway, keep saying anyway. I don't know why. Anyway, uh, what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it for symptoms from that leading up till now. I haven't had anything much. I haven't been nesting. I wanted to kick in because I did some baby washing and the clothes are still in the basket that I haven't like because I want to iron some of them and fold them neatly and put down. Even though it doesn't really make sense if you fold them very very neatly, but that's me. I want to do that. So I did all of that, and I have to be doing it small every time, like every smaller times. So because the nesting isn't in yet. In my second trimester, it was just for a little bit. Right, I did a lot of cleaning at that time, but now I wanted to kick in. Right, I wanted to kick in, and I got my. I think I told you in other videos that I have my baby crib, y'all. It's a mini crib because we have a small apartment, but I got it and it's so flipping cute. I'm probably gonna do a review on it. Maybe, I don't know. Probably. I'm planning on doing a baby buys. I bought some stuff and got some stuff, so I'll probably do a video including with the crib in it. So we'll see. Yeah. Also, um, starting this week, I started my baby bag, my hospital bag. Actually, not baby bag. Yeah, well, it's baby's bag slash mommy's bag. So yeah, everything is pretty much fitting in one bag. I'm not taking too much thing. I'm even taking extra bags because the videos that I saw and people that I've heard from said take extra bag because you will get a lot of stuff from the hospital. But I'm not too sure about here. Who knows? We'll see. Hopefully I get a lot of stuff there. Yeah, I have no clue, yo. I have no clue. But anyway, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna make a separate video on my hospital bag soon. I already started it, but I'm gonna make it soon. Anyway, it seems like this camera is gonna cut off very soon, so I'm trying to do as fast as I can. Anyway, that's everything for symptoms, cravings, and what to come, what video to come, and I'm gonna try my best, people, to make some more videos. And I want to thank everyone that subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. I've noticed it. Yes, I have, and thank you so much. And I have been watching everyone's video pretty much. Yep, I have been, and I have to say, prayers go out to Lucretia. Is it Lucretia? Lucretia. Yeah, IVF. IVF journey. Right. She lost one of her twin, and I'm just saying, oh, you're strong. Honestly, to God, you are strong, and just keep being strong, right? And thank God He's giving you that strength to to keep that smile on your face, because I've seen it when I saw her videos. I haven't known her a lot, but I saw her videos, and I keep watching her and all of those things, and seeing these things that went on with her, it got me thinking about a lot of things, that oh, life is so precious, and having people in your life and all of those things. And you're amazing, girl. You're amazing. So just continue doing what you're doing. I'm still praying for you and your family. Right? God, I pray that God will continue to bless you. Bless you and your family. Okay, yes, I was saying my camera got shut off. Some kind of memory thing. So I only have 5 minutes left, so I'm trying to make this as fast as possible. Again, that God will give you the strength. And remember, it also says so in the Bible that He will not give you more than you can bear. This is a amazing testimony that you will tell to everyone out there. And thank you for all the encouragement in your videos that you have provided, not only to me but to everyone else. And just keep the faith and continue blessing you. So this is just a phase that you have to go through. God bless you, girl. God bless you. Give you strength, give you long life, give you success, give you everything that you need in this time. So I'm praying for you. And also I would like to say thank you to Robin. She don't know me, but I've been watching her videos, and God bless you, girl. Right? I have been going through personal stuff. I've been going through pregnancy stuff and a lot of things that a lot of people don't know about me. But you are amazing to watch. When I first saw your video, I said, "Oh, she looks so cute. She just has this glow on her face, that smile, that you know, it's just so warming, and I feel drawn to you. By the grace of God, I feel like that spirit within me that's drawn to you, and that's amazing. And I love watching your videos, and I pray that you have a beautiful, wonderful delivery when your little boy comes. Right? So thank you for all the encouragement that you have given, not only to me but everyone else that out there that's trying, still trying, and that are on the way of being moms. Thank you, Robin. Everyone is amazing. I love watching those videos. I love seeing everyone's videos. Right? I don't on hand have a lot of names, but everyone that got their BFPs, I wish you the best. The best, the best, best of all the best. And everyone that's still waiting on BFPs, I wish you a lot of blessing in your life to keep you strong. Everything need God, to know that God is right beside you. That's all you need to know. He's right beside you. It feels like you're gonna give up, but he's he's right beside you. That's how I felt. I felt like whatever, I'm just done with this, but I kept on. There was just something in me that told me to keep going, and I did. So thank you guys for watching my videos, and thank you for everyone that subscribed to my videos, and baby dust to everyone out there that's still trying. And I know that your victory is coming very, very soon. Thank you for watching my video. Shana's out. Bye.